Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are the 2nd of July 2020. This is the monthly Bitcoin chart, and this is the all-time high at the end of 2017, and this was the last month, June 2020. And when we look at the shape of the candlestick, we see that this is a so-called shooting star pattern. And when we look up a shooting star candlestick on internet, for example on this site, commodity.com, we find some more information. The shooting star formation is created when the open, low and close are roughly the same price. Also, there is a long upper shadow, generally defined as at least twice the length of the real body. And this formation is viewed as a bearish reversal candlestick pattern that typically occurs at the top of uptrends. And this is an example of the use of the shooting star, and we see that this is the end of the uptrend, and after we go down. So we can expect the same to happen here because of the shape of this candlestick. And when we look at the bigger picture, this is the weekly chart, and this is the all-time high in December 2017. Since then, we have been moving between these two orange trend lines, and since the summer of 2019, we have also formed a so-called megaphone pattern, and we did not break these resistance lines, so these patterns are still valid now, and the stochastic RSI is still showing that we will have a downtrend. And when we look at the 4-hour chart, we can see more details, and currently we are still riding this important trend line, which has been valid since the middle of March. And this is also an important resistance line, and maybe we will continue to ride this trend line until we reach this junction of these two trend lines. And when we reach the junction, I expect the price to go down a lot, and the ATR indicator continues to go lower. We are now at 78, and this was the lowest point in the last months. Then we were around 73, and this was the start of a big bull run. But now it will be the start of a big decline. So I expect a big move down when we retest this blue line for the last time. Maybe we will continue to ride this trend line until here, or it's even possible that we will go higher until this blue line and then come down. Because we are now 1 month after the top. The top was on the 1st of June. And we entered this pattern around the 29th of April. That was 1 month and 2 days before the top. So now we are 1 month and 1 day after the top. So I expect a big move before the 10th of July and possibly in the next days. The same is shown on this chart, but in a different way. These are Fibonacci circles around the top of the 1st of June. We entered this pattern in this green ring. So we can expect that we will leave this pattern in this green ring too. And yesterday we have just entered the green ring, and this boundary is on the 10th of July. So we will continue to move in this green circle until we reach the boundary, maybe, and then go down and leave this pattern. But probably we will leave it in the green ring also, because usually we have a symmetrical shape around the top. For example, around the top of February, we also had a symmetrical shape, more or less. And this is my ellipse chart, where I added some Fibonacci ellipses too. And right now we are riding this green circle But when we reach the boundary of this ellipse, there will be a strong resistance, and that's when I expect the price to go down a lot. And the first support line will be the next ring around here. That's around 7,800. This was all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and see you next time.